This is complete source code of hostel management system. Okay. Now first let's create a repository. Open your GitHub account. Okay. And click on new repository and give the name hostel management system and mark it private and create the repository. Here you can see all command. Okay, git initialization, git commit and remote repository. Now let's open your vscode and terminal. Copy the command and type git add and copy the commit command. Git commit first commit and enter it. All source code committed successfully. Now copy this command and paste it in the terminal. This is master branch and copy this command and paste it. Now as you can see,